The three-legged stool. In this episode of the three-legged stool, we're going to talk about mortgages first. It's imperative that you get pre-qualified. It's imperative that you give your loan officer all your loan documents, your pay stubs, your bank statements, W-2s, all of that. But just because you give it to them once doesn't mean you're done, unfortunately, right? So if it takes 3 months to get uh, under contract, we have to have the most recent 30-day pay stub and most recent 60 days bank statements. So just keep us up to date throughout the entire process when they come in. If you're looking out there for homes, just send it to us, the latest pay stub, send us the latest bank statements when they come in. We're not double dipping, asking you just because we didn't ask to begin with. They do get dated, and we have to have the most current. Insurance, make sure you're bundling your auto and your home, and you should have an umbrella, okay? Um, Places like Geico that don't have a home policy, you're bundling the auto with a home policy. They're giving you a discount having the home on their auto, but the home policy not being with the same carrier, you're not getting a discount. So sometimes having travelers auto, travelers home, and a traveler's umbrella beats a Geico travelers type of scenario. So just understand, you might think you might be bundling, but you actually might not. So just understand those rules. Okay. Um, Last but not least, um, realtors. You're hiring your real estate agent, right? And if you're hiring them, just like you hire your loan officer, make sure you're having a management meeting and that you're having them communicate. Many cases, you may have done all your research and found the loan officer that you want to use. Maybe they were recommended by friend, family. You have it that inside track and connection, but that agent hasn't worked with that loan officer, right? So the first thing he's going to do is, I want you to use my guy, right? Use my guy. And you're going to say, no, I'm kind of like Kevin here. And so the best thing to do is have them, do a conference call, have a meeting and say, hey, you guys are my team, right? I'm hiring both of you. I want you to work together. I don't want I don't want you forcing me to use someone I don't want to use. Let's all work together. It's a big tip there. That's going to help you win contracts when ultimately your buyer's agent submits to the listing agent. Your loan officer should be calling on your behalf to try to help sell your deal. So if the listing agent isn't CCing your loan officer and communicating, right, he doesn't know to call to try to sell your deal. So those are your three tips to the three-legged stool today. My name is Kevin Retcher, owner of First Meridian Mortgage. Talk to you soon.